Hello everyone, welcome you in Research Needs. In this video today we will see how to utilize the Filmora software to record a screen video and export it. So we will see. So here you can see I have started the Filmora software, and here you will find the record option. We are not going in detail for other tools. We will see which is related to screen recording. So here you can see it is record option. While you click here, you will find record from webcam, record PC screen, record voiceover. So while you want to record video screen, means laptop screen, so that time you have to click this record PC screen. So we will click. So here you can see it has already started to record. So we will see it how it is recording. So how it is visible from starting. So I will record this part, how we can it is observed, and how we can record that. I have to capture it by my mobile. So now here you can see the previous recorded video already saved here, and from here we can record now new video. So what we will do, we will select here record PC screen. While you click that, it will throw you outside and it will show like this structure. So we will go back, and here you can see it is visible. In that you can do some settings. Generally you have to keep default settings like this, microphone here, and the speaker here, it should be like this. And if you are using microphone, you can change it accordingly. And here there are different arrangement that we can see. If you want to see that full screen or custom stream or targeted area, that if you want to see the targeted area, so that much part only you can see. Suppose you want to screen this much only, the screen you want to see, so you can record this much only. Or you want to record this much, so this part you can record. Or you want to record whole, according to your requirement you can record. So we will go back here. Now we will change this and full screen and custom. In that you will find you can change as per your requirement the area where you want to record, what part of screen you want to record. So here you are considering the video software, but you can go outside too. Suppose here, in that if you want to record some whole video, you can record like this and change as per your requirement, that much if you want to record. So this part you can do by this way, and the full screen you have to record whole. So this arrangement you will find in this video recording option. So now while we will click here, so it has already started. From here you can speak also and it will record. If you connect microphone over here, your voice will be more clear. Otherwise the system has already a microphone, it records. So here it is recording now. So likewise you can record your presentation also. So now we will go back, and how we can stop it, we will see. So you have to go here again, and record PC screen again you have to click. It will show like that. It is showing that it is recording right now. So you can click here, it will stop, and the video will be automatically come here. So now we will see how we can export this. Now you can see already video is recorded here. So we will bring them here on timeline. So first of all we will import the heading, the intro video of my channel. So we will go there. So first of all we will import the intro video of my channel, and we will put it on timeline first, and then we will insert the other video as per their sequence of recording. Then we will record this. So now we will see how to export this video, because we have recorded it, and we will see their voice label also. So here I will put it here. So now I will remove the extra part of this video. By using this I will cut this, and now you can see. Hello friends, welcome you on Research Needs. In likewise this. So I have introduced twice. I will remove this part because it is extra unwanted. Hello everyone, welcome you on Research Needs. In this video today we will see how to utilize the Filmora software to record a screen video and export it. So likewise we will increase it voice, and see here voice. So we have already recorded the things. Now we have to click here and create a video. Here we will give the name to this video. Screen recording by Filmora. Now you have to set in which folder your video will be saved. So here it will go, and from there you can get your video. And next you have to do change in this. The resolution should be best. So I have selected 9. This is the best. More than that is its GB is increased, so it is a medium that I have selected. And 30 fps is good frame rate that I have selected. Next, all settings is okay, and we will directly export on YouTube also. And now we will export it from here. So now it is, you can see it is getting ready, and very soon it is going to be export very fast. So this is how we can get the video record. By screen recording. So here you can see the video is already in this folder. screen recording by Filmora MP4. So how was the video? Please do comment. Thank you for watching Research Need. Thank you.